Founded to provide innovative air filtration solutions, QUATRO has been a leader in the industry for over 30 years. Our journey began with a commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction.
From our humble beginnings back in 1991, we've continually evolved to meet the changing needs of our customers.
Today, QUATRO offers a comprehensive range of air filtration systems designed for diverse industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, and more. Our products known for their advanced technology, efficiency, and reliability.
Each of our systems undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the highest standards of quality and performance. Our mission is clear: to help businesses clean their air with our products and solutions to benefit both people and businesses. We are driven by core values of being caring, ethical, dedicated, and driven.
At QUATRO, we are committed to sustainability and strive to make a positive impact on the environment.
In 2021, QUATRO has joined the Absolent Air Care Group, enhancing our global reach and our innovation capabilities. This partnership really allows us to share resources, technology, and expertise, furthering our mission to provide people with clean air.
Together, we are developing advanced air care solutions and embarking on new projects to improve air quality worldwide.
QUATRO, providing clean air solutions for a healthier tomorrow.